Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Tiguan match. This is the 2 litre diesel finished in deep black pearlescent paint. You've got really nice alloy wheels and there's no marks or curbs or anything like that on them. You've got your chrome on your grille and on your window surrounds and roof rails, and you have got the addition of side steps, just make it that little bit easier getting in and out. I'll show you inside the boot. It has got a really good size boot, so you'll definitely be able to get anything you need in there, your shopping, anything like that. I'll bring you around to the side. I'll show you inside the passenger. As you can see again, the side steps there. Really lovely condition. So inside, as you can see, definitely a good family car. You've got the trays on the backs of the seats, putting the kids' food or books on. There's your 3-zone electronic climate control and your seats. It is Black Rhombus cloth, so it's got the diamond quilt. I'll show you inside the car now as well. So on the inside, you've got your infotainment display. So you've got your sat-nav built in, you have got your climate control, and it's automatic. If I pop that into reverse, you'll see you've got your parking sensors and a rear view camera as well. Just gives you that peace of mind when you're parking your new car. And there's your menu, so you can connect your phone with App Connect. Your multifunction steering wheel. On the left, you've got your cruise control with front assist. You have also got automatic lights and heated and folding door mirrors. And here's a close-up of the cloth. As you can see, it's got a really nice quilted pattern. Really comfortable. So I really hope you like the car. If you are interested or you've got any further questions, please just give us a call. Thank you.